Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when Kingdom Come Deliverance II gets stuck on syncing data, or when you see the error, "We can't sync your data with the cloud right now" on PC. If your game is stuck on the syncing data screen after signing in, don't worry. Just follow these steps. First, close the game. Then, right-click on the Start menu and open Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to the Details tab. Now find gamingservices.exe in the list. Right-click on gamingservices.exe and click End Task, then confirm by selecting End Process. Wait a few seconds. The process will automatically restart. After that, try launching the game again and check if the issue is fixed. If you still face the problem, open the Xbox app. Click on your profile icon, go to Support, and open the Gaming Services Repair tool. Click on Start Repairing and allow the repair process to complete. This may take some time. Once everything shows a checkmark, restart the game and the syncing error should be resolved. That's it for this fix guide. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.